Welcome to MaxJax Tech Tips. As you should already know, one awesome feature that really sets the MaxJax apart from most other car lifts is that it's portable. MaxJax comes with two large, non-marring built-in wheels in each post that help move your lift into place or easily roll away for storage. We realize wrestling a 300-pound column around your garage would not be fun, unless you feel like some sort of home garage CrossFit, but I digress. So, when your MaxJax is not bolted in place, feel free to wheel it around freely and easily. Whoa. Wait just a minute. MaxJax needs to be bolted down? Surprisingly, we get this question a lot, and the simple answer is yes. Yes, it does. MaxJax is portable in the sense that you can wheel its columns and power unit anywhere you want. But when you're ready to lift, you better make sure MaxJax is securely bolted into the included recessed anchors that you installed in your concrete floors. To maximize the portability of your MaxJax, remember, you're not limited to one lifting spot. You can always order more anchor sets and install them in separate bays or configure the columns in a wide and narrow positions. So, while the lift can be moved away for storage, when you need it again, it'll always be bolted to the permanent concrete anchors. Then, and only then, is it safe for you to lift the vehicle. So, keep that lift in its forever spot in the garage or take advantage of portability because MaxJax is portable, so roll it. Please like and subscribe. I'm Jared, and we'll see you in the next one.